Today I'm going to create the perfect blow dry with a volume that lasts for days. I'm going to start with a volume mousse that gives an airy, nice volume with loads of shine. It's important to apply the product evenly throughout the whole hair. And in order to get it really evenly distributed, I will use probably the best brush in the world, the wet hair brush from Björn Axén. Now I'm going to apply the saltwater spray all the way into the roots. This is what's going to give this volume that lasts forever. So using one of our most powerful blow dryers, I will start to dry the hair, take small sections and really lift the hair from the scalp and blow dry it all the way in. This will give you an effect that lasts forever. Using the 3-row brush, it's very easy for me to grab the hair and just pull it up while I blow dry, so it really gets complete volumized from the roots. Only focus on the root area. See the volume I get? Now, the ends, of course, I need to take care of. And now I'm going to show you how to do that in the easiest way possible. So Magic Style brush is just like a round brush, but it's warm. And it's just the perfect temperature to create the perfect blow dry without a blow dryer. So I take a section, I turn it and twist it and roll it in and keep it long enough so the heat goes through and just get this perfect shape of the ends. So it's important that it cools off in the right shape. Take a Velcro, put it in place, and voila, and you take the next section. And now I'm going to go through the whole hair like this. The side section, I lift it slightly backwards and up to get a lift here right at the face and the eyes. So now I'm done with the curlers and the Magic Style brush. Now I'm going to finish off with just right hairspray. This is a medium hold hairspray with an amazing shine. So spray it all over properly, let it set, let it dry off. Don't be shy with the spray. Now the hairspray is completely dry. Now I'm going to take away the rollers and then we have a hairdo that looks amazing. I brush it through with my 3-row hair brush again. Just getting some spray in there to just make sure that the curls stay. So here we are, the perfect blow dry with a volume that lasts forever.